Superfoods that clean your liver naturally. The liver is one of the most essential organs in regulating your daily function and survival, and any harm to it may have a significant impact on your health. Hello again, welcome back. The liver acts as a filter when your body is under stress or subjected to large amounts of pollutants. One of the finest ways to keep it in tip-top form is by eating the proper meals, and today's video will teach you about the greatest foods that can cleanse your liver naturally. Watch until the end to learn about all of them. Garlic, lemons, oats, ginger, honey, spinach, beetroot, apple cider vinegar, grapes, oranges, radish. Green tea, according to a study, is linked to better blood markers for liver health and high levels of antioxidants, which protect your body from free radicals that can cause degenerative diseases and maintain your body in balance. It also aids in the prevention of some sorts of cancer by keeping your body functioning properly. It's delightful as well as beneficial to drink. 2. Garlic is a type of garlic known for its health benefits, which include lowering blood sugar levels and improving cholesterol. It's also high in sulfur and has a decent amount of selenium, both of which aid in the elimination of toxins from the body. Garlic consumption has been shown to help the liver protect itself against damage caused by oxidative stress and other factors, and it can also help in the treatment of diabetes, among many other things. 3. Squeeze your lemon after you peel it, or boil them in water until they are soft, and drink this water with no added sugar. This has shown some amazing benefits for people who suffer from fatty liver disease. Lemons are natural cleansers, and your liver adores them right back because they're excellent for cleaning them. They're also rich in vitamin C, potassium, and pectin. For example, one study showed that the compounds in lemon water helped reverse liver damage in mice with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease when they were fed a high-fat diet. Not only can this help to remove toxins from your body, but it also has been known to have effects on weight loss and blood fat levels. Vitamin C and antioxidants are abundant in grapefruit. Garlic grapefruit contains substances that boost the synthesis of liver detoxification enzymes as well as chemicals that cause the liver to burn fat rather than accumulate it. 5. Oranges. They're high in antioxidants that help liver function by preventing damage to cells. Oranges are also rich in vitamins A, C, B1, B6, and folic acid. Oranges make an excellent cleansing agent for the liver because they increase bile production, get things going in all areas of the body. Lemons provide a wealth of antioxidants, primarily vitamin C, and they help your liver produce more enzymes. They may be used instead of salt and work like it in terms of taste, but they're more effective for boosting energy and aiding digestion since they're high in electrolytes and support your body without dehydrating your cells as sodium does. They're also frequently advised as a salt substitute for individuals on a liver disease diet, despite being acidic. 5. Here's what the violet on your colorful vegetable plate can do for your liver. Beetroot is high in antioxidants, flavonoids, phenolic acids, and vitamin C, which protect the liver from oxidative stress caused by carcinogenic substances. If you eat beetroot daily, your liver will be safe from harmful chemicals. Beet juice made from one large beetroot is safe for daily consumption. Drink the juice 2 to 3 days a week. 6. Nuts are high in monounsaturated fat, which is considered to be good for the liver. A study discovered that regular consumption of nuts enhanced enzymes in the liver, as well as revealed that men who ate fewer nuts were more likely to get non-alcoholic fatty liver disease than those who ate more. A handful of nuts up to 4 times a week will keep your liver healthy and functioning perfectly. 7. Grapeseed oil is one of the most powerful antioxidants, which helps remove free radicals from the body, neutralizing them before they damage cells. It also stimulates the production of important enzymes that help improve the function of the spleen, pancreas, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. In your liver, grapeseed extract speeds up the metabolism of fatty acids, which are formed when glucose is broken down. It also helps the liver convert sugars to glycogen so that you have enough energy to exercise or complete challenges at work or school. 8. Grapes are high in antioxidants and vitamins A, C, E, B6. 9. Switch your bottle of vegetable oil with olive oil to promote healthy liver function. According to one study, Consuming olive oil every day improved liver enzyme and fat levels, while participants also reported a reduction in liver fat and better blood flow to the liver. It has also been shown that olive oil can improve blood levels of liver enzymes. Every day, consume 1 teaspoon. 8. Turmeric is a spice that has been used for hundreds of years to treat liver issues, and it's an anti-inflammatory and natural healing agent. Turmeric's curcumin prevents fat accumulation in the liver, as well as increases the body's natural antioxidants, such as 3 grams of powdered turmeric root every day. If you suffer from inflammatory bowel disease, reduce the dosage additionally to increase the absorbability of curcumin. Combine it with black pepper. 9. Broccoli shaped like mini trees. Broccoli gives life to your body. Its bright green hues indicate the high level of antioxidants and chlorophyll found in it. Broccoli is high in fiber that naturally cleanses the body from carcinogens and other toxins. Broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and other members of the cruciferous veggie family also contain a compound which helps the liver produce certain enzymes. These help in the removal of toxins and aid in digestion. Broccoli is also a good source of fat-soluble vitamin E, an especially important antioxidant for the liver. 10. Sweet potatoes, carrots, winter squash like butternut and pumpkin, and other vegetables rich in beta-carotene are anti-inflammatory. This is a natural anti-inflammatory nutrient your body craves. Beta-carotene is converted to vitamin A in the body directly in the liver. It's critical to consume beta-carotene since it's a fat-soluble vitamin. This means more gets stored than excreted. Sweet potatoes and other foods that are rich in vitamin A, however, do not cause liver toxicity, cannot be stored for long-term use like supplements can. Sweet potatoes are also rich in fiber and vitamin C, other cleansing and immunity-boosting nutrients that help your liver function at its best. 11. Apples are excellent for detoxing the blood, which is why they're so popular in weight loss diets. They're also high in malic acid, a naturally cleansing nutrient that destroys carcinogens and other poisons from the blood. Granny Smith apples are particularly rich in malic acid, as well as being one of the most antioxidant-rich apple. 12. Coffee, on the other hand, has been linked to a decreased risk of liver disease and cancer. Moderate amounts of coffee have been shown in studies to offer real health benefits, including a reduced chance of liver damage. People who drink coffee are less likely to get liver cirrhosis than non-coffee drinkers. Coffee consumption has been shown to lower the risk of liver cancer by 44%. 13. Asparagus contains a lot of glutathione, which is crucial in the liver's detoxification process. Glutathione aids your body in ridding itself of pollutants like alcohol and cigarette to smoke more quickly while avoiding harm to your system. These exfoliating chemicals are an essential component. 13. Fatty fish, such as salmon, sardines, and herring, are high in omega-3 fatty acids. According to studies, diseased livers have lower levels of these fatty acids than normal ones, and increasing omega-3s might help with this condition. Long-term omega-3s have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties, which may explain their positive effects on liver disease, and they're also known to protect the brain and cardiovascular system. 14. Milk thistle is a natural herbal remedy. The milk thistle can be enjoyed in an herbal tea that's great for your liver. Some fans of the ingredient also use it in smoothies and salads. Via marine, an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound in seeds, can offer protection not just against toxins in your diet but also from drugs like Tylenol that cause damage when taken in high doses. Research suggests that it may help rejuvenate and repair your liver by aiding the growth of new cells. 15. Avocados aren't typically associated with being a cleanser, but these nutrient-dense superfoods help to lower cholesterol and dilate blood vessels while blocking artery clogging toxicity. Avocados include an antioxidant called glutathione, which blocks at least 30 different carcinogens while also assisting the liver in detoxifying synthetic chemicals. Aside from just being good for your liver, avocados are known to help balance cholesterol levels, improve heart health, and prevent arthritis. 1/6. Coconut oil is just one of the foods that have been shown in studies to reduce inflammation within the body while improving metabolism. This makes it an excellent addition to a healthy diet for both weight loss and disease prevention. According to a 2014 review published in the journal Nutrients, Coconut oil may have anti-inflammatory properties. Researchers believe this is due to butyrate, a short-chain fat found in coconut oil and other fatty foods like butter and cheese. Butyrate also acts as a natural appetite suppressant and stimulates the production of hormones that make you feel full. 17. 16. Berries cleanse your body naturally by giving it plenty of berries rich in polyphenols and anthocyanins. These nutrients are potent anti-inflammatory agents and powerful antioxidants. One study found that berries were especially effective in preventing fatty liver. Lingonberries in particular decreased body fat significantly in test subjects on a high-fat diet. 17. Cabbage has a variety of anti-cancer and antioxidant chemicals, as well as the ability to break down extra hormones and cleanse the digestive system. It also cleanses the digestive system and neutralizes some of the damaging compounds found in cigarette smoke and secondhand smoke. It also improves the liver's detoxification capabilities. 18. Kale is highly nutritious, especially high in antioxidants and anti-cancer compounds. The powerful anti-cancer and antioxidant chemicals it contains help eliminate harmful substances from the body, while its high fiber aids in an intestinal cleanser. Number 19. Prickly pear is a type of edible cactus that was utilized in traditional medicine as a treatment for liver disease. One study found that the extract of this plant reduces symptoms of a hangover, including nausea, dry mouth, and lack of appetite. This benefit was magnified when they took the extract before drinking alcohol. Since alcohol is broken down by the liver, the researchers looked into the exact effect of the extract on the liver. They found that it reduced inflammation, which often occurs after drinking alcohol. While these superfoods can get rid of liver toxins, it's very important to recognize the signs of liver damage at an early stage so that you can tackle it. Learn more about these signs. Like the video, share with your friend, and subscribe to join the pack.